In this module, we're going to explore the most popular and profitable types of digital products that people are selling every day. From ebooks and templates to online courses and planners, you'll get a clear understanding of what works, why it works, and which formats make the most sense for your goals. This will help you decide what kind of product you want to start with and how to make sure it sells. There are hundreds of digital products you could sell, but let's focus on the ones that actually make money. These are the products people buy over and over again because they're useful, fast, and help solve real problems. Let's start with ebooks and guides. These are short, focused digital books that teach something valuable like how to meal prep, how to start a side hustle, or how to create a budget. They're perfect for beginners and can be created from scratch or rebranded from PLR content. Next, we have printable templates and planners. Think digital journals, fitness trackers, habit checklists, and daily goal sheets. These are wildly popular on Etsy and Gumroad because they're simple, useful, and easy to personalize. Then there's Notion templates and digital dashboards. If you're familiar with Notion, you know how powerful it is for organization. Selling pre-built templates for productivity, finance, wellness, or business is a growing market with high demand. Another huge category is courses and mini courses. These don't have to be 10-hour video libraries. Some of the best-selling courses online are simple, short, and focused, teaching one skill or delivering one transformation. You can even turn a PLR ebook into a mini course with the right tweaks. Toolkits and swipe files are also moneymakers. These include done-for-you email templates, ad scripts, social media captions, or business checklists. They're perfect for entrepreneurs and small business owners who want shortcuts. You can also sell workbooks and digital journals. These are interactive PDFs that help someone work through a process, like goal setting, mindset shifts, or building a brand. Another hidden gem? Private label rights bundles. That's right. You can repackage, upgrade, and resell done-for-you content from your vault. With the right tweaks, PLR becomes your own product, one you can sell under your name and brand. Now, here's the key. The most profitable digital product is the one that solves a specific problem for a specific audience. It's not about being fancy, it's about being useful. When someone feels like your product will save them time, make life easier, or get them closer to their goal, they buy. Keep that in mind as we move to the next step, choosing your niche.